Hello friendly friends. So, Rebel Alpha Team Starter Pack. Deadzone. I really like the look of the miniatures. So this is just a look into how the miniatures are looking and what I think about them. And so we are just going to look a little at this and see what we think about this. I had to say, after looking at the miniatures, I really like them. I haven't looked deep into the rules yet, but I really like it. I like the synergy with the big monkey boy over there and the two monkeys beside it. I think they are from Red Bull. He is commanding them and then can do shenanigans when they are on the table, so really like that. So yeah, it's going to be really interesting to fill this army and see how it performs. Once again, spoiler alert, I like them. I really like the scopes. So yeah. From the starter box, the Rebels, you can see here, it's monoscoped. It's okay details. It's not super sharp, but good enough. And here is one throwing grenades. Sapphire, I think it's called. And this dude, I can't remember the name, but he's jolly happy with his knife coming out to hold him in his feet. Let's see. And oof, this one is really nice. Look at that. Really cool power pose. I really like it. And here he comes, big dude. Okay, so let's just move along to the next baggie. I think it's the exactly the same as the one we have seen, but for some reason they aren't glued to the base, but that's okay. That's something a little glue can help with, just a little super glue, but it's the same exact pose, so it's a mono pose. But so you get double of those in this booster pack. The big dude too, exactly the same, but and before we take that one, we have one of the old scopes of these dudes, but is it that dude? No, it's this dude's. Let's see. I can't remember the names of them. Sorry, but let's see. You have to, these ones you have to glue together. But let's see. I have actually some build already, so you can see here. They are these ones. The monkey, dragon kind of dudes. So yeah, two of those. And then the last of the boost pack. And here is a really cool miniatures. Maybe let's see what we have here. So this badass kind of reminds me like Arnold Schwarzenegger or something. Really cool. And a little sniper. I think he looks like a sniper. She looks like a sniper for me. I could be wrong. All right. Bring in the big guns. And of course, the boss man, the monkey boy. Really cool. Really cool. So, and I got a little base following this package too. So you can see here the Rebs. This one is called Sio Silverback. Sphere Hunter. Looks like this. Alpha Simian Brawler. This is the new ones. Look like so. And Rebel Specialist is the one throwing the grenade. But we have Rin Nomad. It's a new model, so it looks like this. And Zorak Swordspawn. Okay, so Zorak Swordspawn. These are the ones. Sergeant Eric Humanizar is this one, and that is the minis that following in the new set of rules. Alright, so I hope you like that little look. Give me a like and subscribe and comments. You know, it helps this little channel grow, and yeah, keeping on. All right.